Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is the 4th generation in Obsidian Polished Black. Really nice, modern looking thermostat. And we're going to be covering all sorts of different topics on this thermostat in the next upcoming series I'm making here. So today we're going to be covering in this video the 7-day schedule programming as well as the fan schedules and how to do and access each one of those. Okay, I also have other videos in my thermostat playlist covering this thermostat and other generations of Google Nest as well. So if you're interested in that, please go check it out. I have it all linked down below the video so you guys can jump around to the particular topic that you might be more interested in at a given time. Okay, then I offer a big comprehensive video, user guide, full complete kind of rundown on the thermostat as well. So I have other videos covering manual override, factory reset, how to connect and disconnect from the Google Home app, which is what you use for this, as well as the eco mode and safety temps, lock and unlock function, as well as install and setup menu options and what each one kind of does, and a summary of all the different options available, as well as the no power situation or blank screen. If that ever happens, what to do and how to fix it. Okay, and then I have a comprehensive video as well that covers everything. So let's get into the 7-day schedule programming of this device. So we have a smart thermostat, and it's really tailored by using the Google Home app and to access it through that and have it connected, and that's your main kind of way of using the thermostat. So I'm going to show you first what's on the device, okay, what you can access, and all you can access on the device is the fan timer. Everything else when it comes to schedules, fan and program set point temperature schedules is all done on the Google Home app. So let's get into this. Let's do double click and show you where the fan schedule is, or fan timer I should say. So we have the fan timer all the way at the bottom here at like 5 o'clock. We're going to click on that. And the only option you really have is to turn this dial, and you have a preset determined amount of minutes or hours here. Okay, so you can rotate it as you like to figure out, okay, I want to run it for 7 hours, or I want it a little bit longer or less. And then you would click on the thermostat to set it. But I want to show you that you can go 1 full day, 3 days, 5 days, or 1 week. So that is the absolute maximum. That's going to be 1 week that you can set the fan on to run basically, 7 days a week by setting that there. Okay, so that's one option to do a quick access, and like if you just want to use a fan as a kind of a way to move air around the home, you can go ahead and set the timer. All right, so that there is all you can do on the thermostat itself. So let's get into the phone and show you what you can do on the phone, which is primarily the way you would want to operate this thermostat. So this is the window for the thermostat. Once you connect to the Google Home app, this is the main page for this particular thermostat. You want to scroll to the bottom, and you want to go to Schedules. So as you can see here, there is a bunch of days that are blank, okay, because this is brand new. I went ahead and set up the Monday, okay, just the Monday to show you what it looks like. But when you first install this, brand new, it's going to have everything blank just like you see here. This is a learning thermostat, so it's going to learn your inputs and then set the schedule accordingly. If you don't like that, then I recommend that you go ahead and start adjusting your schedule on day 1 when you start using this thermostat. Okay, otherwise, this thing is just going to kind of keep its temperature at whatever you set it to, like a manual thermostat. Okay, so there might be a little learning curve there when it comes to learning to operate this thing, but it's a learning smart thermostat, and they kind of want you to use it in that fashion. So as you see at the top here, we have a temperature and fan schedule. We're going to start with the temperature schedule first. Like I said, I already have Monday set up. Okay, I have 3 time periods. You can set up as many time periods as you want. You can go just hit add and then select the type of time period. It has these default, preset determined time periods. You can go comfort, eco, sleep, and then custom, okay? But you want to go ahead and start with like 3 or 4 periods of the day and start, making your schedule. As you can see here, each one's going to have a different set point. You can go and adjust your heating and cooling at the same time for each period of the day and for every day of the week. This is how you have to program this thing. Okay? I cannot stress how important it is to just sit down and program it and just kind of take care of that all at once. Let's like turn on the thermostat here, see if it wants to turn on. Nope. Okay. But like I said, that's going to be important for you to use this to its full extent. I would go ahead and start programming this thing. I recommend 4 periods of the day, and then you go ahead and apply that to each one of these days of the week as you see fit. Okay, so that's how you would program the schedule for 7-day schedule programming. Take your time and figure it out. You might have to come back and adjust it later. Okay. It's a time-consuming and tedious process. Next is going to be, if you want to use the fan schedule, we're going to click it on, okay? We're going to click it on, and maybe I should just kind of zoom in on this, okay? A little bit better. Anyways, so we can adjust it from a certain time to a certain time of day, okay, to turn on for a predetermined amount of minutes. We have 15, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. If you checked off 60 minutes, obviously it's going to run continuously for the time period that you select here. Okay, so if it was a 5-hour window, that's between these 2 selections here, it would run for 5 hours. Or if you were to select the 15-minute option here at the bottom, it would only run for 15 minutes out of each hour for 5 hours, if we had a 5-hour period. If we had a 10-hour period, it would turn on 10 times for 15 minutes each time. Okay, so I think you get the idea of that. It's just a revolving continuous schedule. It's going to do this every day from the time period you select here. Okay, very simple. You can either turn it off or on. But that there is what's available on the phone and available on the thermostat. Okay, it's not, some of the previous generation Google Nest thermostats, you could change the actual timeline and the set points for the schedule on the thermostat. You can't do that with this one. This is the 4th gen, like I said, and they do things a little bit differently, okay? But that there, guys, is how to program 7 days a week your fan as well as your set point temperatures. Please check out my other videos. Like I said, I have all sorts of different videos in my thermostat playlist of this generation thermostat as well as other Google Nest thermostats, and I cover each and every single topic on those as well. So I cover that manual override, factory reset, 7-day schedule programming like we did here today, how to connect and disconnect to the Google Home app or Nest app, eco mode and safety temps, lock and unlock, install and setup menus, and the no power blank screen situation and how to fix that if it ever happens to you. So please check out those videos down below in the description box. I will link those videos. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and take care.